In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Wix and guide you through each step of the process efficiently and clearly. Whether you're looking to back up your files or simply save your favorite content, downloading a video directly from Wix can be incredibly straightforward once you know the way. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Wix account. This is the foundation of our journey today, and it's just a click away. Make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're signed in, you're greeted by the Wix dashboard, your central hub on Wix where all the action takes place. From here, the next step is to click on Edit Site. This will take you to the editor where you can make changes and customize your site. Be sure to give it a moment to load, especially if your site is content rich or if your internet connection happens to be a bit slow. After your site is opened in the editor, you'll want to navigate over to the Media Manager. This is where all your media files are stored, neatly organized, and easily accessible. It's a powerful tool for managing your site's media, and today it's particularly useful for our purpose of downloading a video. In the Media Manager, take a moment to browse through your files. You're looking for the specific video you wish to download. If you have many files, use the search functionality to make this task easier. Having an organized library will definitely save you time here. Once you've located it, hover your cursor over the video file. This action activates additional options for you to interact with your media. Next, click on the file once you've hovered over it. This will bring up a preview of your video. This preview mode allows you to double check that you've selected the correct file and gives you a quick playback option if you want to verify its contents before downloading. Once you're sure everything's in order, move your cursor over the video in the View mode, right-click, and select the Save As option. This opens up the Save As dialog box, typically prompting you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to store the file. Make sure you pick a spot that you'll remember, such as a dedicated folder for your downloaded videos. Giving it a recognizable file name is also a good idea for future reference. And there you have it. Your video is now safely downloaded and stored on your computer, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Congratulations on completing this simple yet effective process. Whether you want to edit the video further, keep it as a backup, or use it across different platforms, you now have a perfect copy right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share this guide with anyone who may find it helpful.